You know, you will be the biggest crowd. I don't know, maybe Calgary will compete. But right now, Hamilton is in the lead spot. So, you know, it's good to win anything, don't you think? Largest crowd, I'd go for that. Good for you. Don't tell me I'm wrong, 'cause I've been watching every move that you make. Hearts you steal, and you make up in heels. Trouble for the man that you take. Every time you walk in the room, could never be sure and smile. Never the same way twice. I'm falling in love, night after night. It's crazy. So many people say, oh, girl, got nothing but time. You are a shining star. Don't worry what you're leaving behind. Every time you walk in the room, could never be sure to smile. Never the same way twice. I'm falling in love, night after night. It's crazy. Oh, you got to try. Why don't you know you got to try. Oh, baby, you try. Oh, every time you walk in the room, could never be sure to smile. You're never the same way twice. Falling in love, night after night. It's crazy. Oh, you got to try. Why don't you know you got to try? Oh, baby, you try. Oh, try.
Crazy back there. And don't forget there's a giant dish, right? Sir? Yeah, by the bush?
Thank you very much. What a band of hobos they are. Come on up front, Kelly. Kelly's the real star of this show, but she just won't accept the role.
We all know the truth, too.
Come on. Girls are always more attractive than men. So easy. All right, this is an old band song. Come down to the manger, see the little stranger, wrapped in swaddling clothes, the Prince of Peace. We'll start turning, torches start burning, and the old wise men journey from the east. How I love baby boy, to bring the people so much joy. Son of a carpenter, Mary carried the light. This must be Christmas, must be tonight. Shepherd on a hillside, where over my fucking line, on a cold winter's night, a band of angels sang. In a dream I heard a voice said, "Fear not, come rejoice. It's the end of the beginning. Praise the Lord." Now a baby boy bring the people so much joy. Son of a carpenter, Mary carried the light. This must be Christmas, must be tonight. I saw it with my own eyes, written up in the sky. But why the simple birds can such as I? But then it came to pass, he was born at last, right below the star that shines on. How a baby boy bring the people so much joy. Son of the carpenter, Mary carried the light. This must be Christmas, must be tonight. Son of the carpenter, Mary carried the light. This must be Christmas, must be tonight. Must be tonight. Must be tonight. Must be tonight. All right, thank you very much.
Hamilton, this is just incredible. Thank you guys so much for being here to support Hamilton Food Share, help your neighbors in need. Let's hear it one more time for Canadian Pacific for putting this train together yet again. We have time for one more song. Do you guys? Yeah.
These hobos are gonna go barreling down the road. They can't stay in one place too long. Not even a place as good as Hamilton.
All I want for Christmas
What a crowd. Hey guys, Kelly, come on out. Kelly Prescott, everybody. Have we given Kelly a round? Come on. Kelly, there's an awful lot of people out here. I think a lot of them probably traveled from a long ways. They're here to hear some music. You guys gave them a lot. Could you give them one more? Could you do it, Kelly? Kelly? Jim? Kelly, can you do one? And then maybe Jim, can you do one? Another one from Jim? What do we think? It's not too much to ask, right? All right. Kelly Prescott, everybody.
Nothing like being put on the spot, Andy. Thank you so much. Is Tracy here? Oh, no? I thought we could do maybe Silent Night together or something. Something that people could sing along to. What's a good one that we can sing along to? Rudolph? Is that what you just said? Jingle bells!